Hello, this is Viny video number 2. It's my car on the rotisserie outside. Completely stripped. Nothing left to her, no interior, no dash, nothing. No windows. Cleaning everything up, taking everything apart. Beautiful sunny day. Give you an idea of the work I gotta do on my car. A few holes, very typical rust spots behind the headlights. That undercoating that's really hard to take off for some reason. A few holes here and there. Did a lot of sandblasting, cleaning. And this is the first piece I fabricated. All this was rusty, all new steel. Re-welded everything. It's about 4 pieces in there. Turned out really good. And this is what I originally started with. Big difference, eh? All new. So, it's my brand new piece. Built, finished, primed, ready to be MIG welded. It's like a charm. First attempt. Hopefully it'll keep going this well. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.